Now we have another design, that is the nested design. It also need factors, factor A and factor B. Sometimes the factor may be nested inside one and another. Factor B is said to be nested with another factor A if the level of B exists only within a level of A. So this is the main concept of the nested design. Here we have an example questions of the nested design. A researcher measured the specific activity of a certain enzyme for both treated T1 and untreated T2 cells of rate grown in randomly selected batches B1, B2, B3 and B4. This one T1, this is T2 batches B1, B2, B3, B4. So when we have such type of you can say structure of design, then we have the concept of the nested design. B1 nested in T1, B2, B3, B4. Similarly, B1, B2, B3, B4 nested in T2. So here is the model mu Ti Bkj. When we use the nested design, there is no interaction term. This is the difference between the factorial design and the nested design. So we not need any kind of interaction between A and B here. The calculation is also very simple. Like you will find the total sum of you can say total sum of square. First we will find the correction factor, same. Then we have the TB subtable SS total 12. Here is the 2 plus 5 plus 5. This one is the 12 square, 8 square, 4 square, 8 square, 3 square, 6 square, 2 square, 6 square divided by 3. These are the 1, 2, 3. So this one we get the SS treatment. SS treatment T1 32.73 square. This one plus 19.73 square over 12. These are the 12 values. These are the 12 values. So we will get the SS treatment. We will find the correction factor. We will find the total sum of square. We will find the total sum of square, and we will find the SS treatment. Very, very important. Batches within treatment. We will find in this way TB subtable SS total minus SS treatment. This minus this, we will get this one. Replication within batches. These are the replications. SS total minus TB subtable SS total. So we will find these things. Here we find only 4 things. Number 1, the correction factor, SS total, batches within treatment, replication within batches, and very, very important one is the SS treatment. So here is the ANOVA treatment, batches within treatment, replication within treatment. So the main difference between the analysis of variance and analysis of variance of batches is very, very important. Mean square error 7.04 divided by this one, its preceding values 2.58, and this one is 2.58 divided by 4.62. So this is the difference. This is the difference between analysis of variance for nested design and analysis of variance of all other designs. All other design use the sum of square of errors, but here we use the second values. This one is 7.04 divided by 2.52, 2.52 divided by 4.62. So also use the F calculator. We will accept or reject the null hypothesis. You can also do example 10.5. Very simple. This was the analysis of nested design. Very, very important. Yesterday one of my colleague came to me with this design, and we have discussed and analyzed this one. Thank you.